Welcome to DJ TV.
My correct people, we greet you now. Welcome una once again to DJ MTV.
Hey my people, no be small tin o, e don red o. One Yoruba man don come outside e dey lament, dey regret say wetin make him vote in Babati as Presido of Naija. E say the hardship don hit am hard no be small, say things don hard, things don scatter. E no dey fit dey eat again, e no dey fit dey do wetin e dey do again, everything don dabaru. Say na because of say Babati become Presido of Naija na im make the whole thing, everything don hard like this. The man talk a lot o, e say the thing dey pain na im dey regret, say to say im no, im for no vote in Babati as Presido. If una see the way dis man dey talk, my people una go hail, no be small thing. Anyway, my people, I no go talk too much. I go play una this video now. Make una lis ten to this Yoruba man, wetin he talk concerning the hardship of Naija and how he dey see am, how he dey take am, say e no dey funny at all to him and him household. Make una watch and make una share, we dey come back.
Happy with my president. I'm regretting for voting for my president and for voting for APC, because this is not we voted for. You know, we are not voting for. We not voted for suffering. We voted for peace, tranquility, and for to alleviate poverty. Let me tell you, if he and his planners are giving reduced fuel price, it will reach common man on the street rather than giving it to private sector who are already plentiful. They are going to share this money, no doubt about it. What do we gain for the past 7 months? We voted for President Tinubu in Milokan. I'm a Yoruba man. I regretted for voting for him because this is not what we bargained for. I'm also a retired director. I'm telling you, a retired director collecting 75,000 naira at federal. You have 5 children or 4 children. How will you cope? Nothing for retirees. We are still suffering. They are telling us that we should manage. The vice president said we should pay our patient for 10 years. So until all Nigerians die finish before they can resuscitate us. Let's call spade a spade. This government is not doing well. Thank you.
Una brother don talk o. This Yoruba man don come outside, don come talk how the country take dey hard, how this administration no take dey give them wetin dey expect. All the expectation wey dem bin get for this administration, e no enter the way we see dey take think say e go be, because the way we see Naija be so, everything dey hard. As in if you go market go buy something, you go the next day go buy, no be the price wey you take buy yesterday you go take see am today. Everything dey go up every day and people no dey get am funny at all. No be say government increase salary, no be say new things dey, new invention dey or new things dey enter. Everything is fucking expensive and people are not taking this funny at all. People dey kpai, people dey suffer, a lot of things dey happen. Even the rate of criminality sef, insecurity, all of them don high. The whole thing is somehow. Government really need to do something concerning the economy of Nigeria and how Nigeria go take fit go front and come out from this one we dey so. Anyway, my people, na the updates wey we carry come for una like this be this. How una see and reason am, my people? Make una drop una comment o, and make una no forget to like and share, and make una follow us for our social media handle DJ MTV. Una do well. See you all in our next video. DJ MTV.